I'm Ross from High Clean. So I've been in the cleaning game for 30 years, pretty much since I left school. And in that time, I've done all kinds of cleaning, but more recently settled on specialist cleaning. And 5 years ago, I set up High Clean. So High Clean is what it says it is, high level cleaning. The majority of what we do, external, some internal. And as part of that, majority of which is commercial cleaning, but part of that we ventured into roof cleaning a couple of years back, and we've trialled various different methods, and more recently we met Ionics at a show, cleaning show, and was introduced to the roof wands. We've been cleaning from towers, we've been cleaning from cherry picker, and we will still utilise those methods, but was really impressed when we saw the roof wands. Got a short demonstration at the show and realised that this was quite a unique product which would negate the use of access equipment and then allow in time potentially a single operative to be able to carry out a roof clean, and then that would pass on savings to the end user, meaning that we could potentially gain more business because we were more competitive. So that's where it began, and then we were invited to go for a demonstration and some training. Impressed with the kit, as always with Ionics, it was quality kit, and yeah, we had a tour of the factory on the same day, and we were impressed, so we decided to invest. So this is new for us with the fact that we've already got this existing equipment to clean roofs, but now I think we're opening it to a bigger market because the initial interest is with the more straightforward properties, smaller properties potentially, opening it to a lot more people. Roof cleaning is becoming more popular, and this is an economical way of doing it. And immediately you've started rolling it out, talking to new customers about it, very keen, and we've got work booked in straight away. So we were keen to get the kit. We've been pushing Ionics and they've worked with us. We've got it weeks after we ordered it, and it's made bespoke for each customer. And here we are picking it up, and we start, it's Wednesday today, Friday we've got our first job, Tuesday next week we've got our second job. So we're really keen to just roll it out there, and we can see this expanding. The idea in time really is to have single operatives with the roof kit, just concentrating on marketing and promoting roofs, being competitive, being professional, and with this kit it's giving us the confidence to do that. We joined the training for the day, and a large part of that was practical, which was extremely useful. We were able to clean one face of a roof, and with just a small group of people we were able to get our hands on the kit. It was demonstrated, we could actually see the results like first hand. We went through some of the troubleshooting, we went through some of the R&D and some of the things that made it difficult and how they overcame it. So we could really see that this equipment had been trialled and tested and see the results. It was a great day, mostly practical, bit of theory, bit of classroom stuff, but yeah, we could really drill into exactly how the kit was put together and how it's going to be of massive use, not just with the roof cleaning, but with some other various forms of cleaning as well at height. So yeah, it was excellent.